Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video today is going to be strictly about how I take off my makeup at night. So basically, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this easy routine. So I'm going to be using my Neutrogena makeup removing wipes, and these are my favorite wipes. I use it to take off my makeup all the time simply because it's for all skin types, and I have very sensitive to combination skin, so it's important that I keep my skin as clean as possible. So right here you'll see me just basically taking off my makeup. This is so easy and so quick. I highly recommend Neutrogena removal makeup wipes, and also I also have the calming makeup wipes as well, strictly for at night, but these are just my favorites. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, and I will see you in my next one.